Check it out, Pop's got a brand new bag. Oh yeah, that's right. We went out and got us the brand new Griddle Caddy by Blackstone. This thing is pretty spacious. So we're gonna check this out. We're gonna check it out and see what all it can do. And it's got instructions here. The bag has instructions, as you can see. Tells you what goes where and how to store it. Let's get all our griddle stuff together and put in the bag. What you think?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Michael. We have a lot of stuff on the table here. Think we can fit all this in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we're gonna try. What we're gonna do first, though, is go ahead and take off some of these things off the sides here. You know, it kind of just shows, kind of gives you an idea what goes where.
You want noodle packets? No, don't eat these.
Yeah. We have the do not eat packets. The silica packets. Let's see, we'll take this off the side here. Same picture as the other side. And we will take this off kind of easily so we can see what goes where. And we'll see if we can't package this thing up here. Now, before we start putting stuff in, let's show them a little bit about the bag. What you think about that?
Okay.
As you can see, hopefully y'all can see that. Tells you kind of where it goes where and what each compartment's for. But yeah, they got a bottle holder here. You can put your Blackstone bottles in. Like that, pretty cool. Now these did not come with the bag. None of this stuff came with the bag. What came in the bag is the bag and the bottle holder. And there is a link down below in the description for this bag at Walmart.
How do we get these attached to the bag?
Well, that's what we gotta, yeah, oh, okay. See, this has clips on the back that go on the bag. And they slide. You wanna slide that on? Huh? Gotta open it up and kind of. Apparently, it's kid proof. might be crazy pop proof too. You want that? I guess either side, don't it?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Yeah, I can't.
All right, let me see if Crazy Pop can get it. The webbing is really, yeah, there we go.
Really tight.
There we go. The webbing on this thing is really, really tight. I don't know how well you can see that, but it is. It does have webbing all the way around it. As you can see, we got the bottle holder on here now, so you can put the bottles in here, like so. Ta-da! And carry them. We'll take those back out for right now. I'll show you a couple other things here. It does have a cool handle. Check that out. Got a cool handle, so.
We can fit taco racks.
The bottom, it is a hard case bottom. I do like the bottom on this thing. It's a hard plastic, maybe it's not a rubber. It's a hard plastic type stuff.
Our seasoning pocket.
Have a spice pocket here. You can put your spices in. How cool is that? Look at that. Hold 4 spice bottles. Let's see what else here. What else we got here, Michael? And as you see, the inside of it is very big. And it even says Blackstone. Blackstone. We have a few accessories here. Some things we've never used. Yeah, like our taco rack, we've yet to use it. We will soon. We will soon. I've seen other videos of people using it and I like it. So we're gonna give this a try one day. But for right now, we need a way to carry it. So you wanna put this in first, you reckon? That fits just perfect. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's just made for it, just perfect. Think about it, I'll tell you what. Now see, here's my dilemma. I'm not very good at packing. I'm not very good at packing things up. I just stuff how they go and hope they fit. So, I do know where the bottles go. I got that figured out. Bottles go here. So, wait a minute, Michael. We have a cutting board. You can stand up. We have press. Oh, that fits just perfect like that, don't it? Yeah. we can put the press down there beside that. Let's see, taco rack. Can fit sideways, yeah. Now I'm gonna show you how this is. We're packing this here in a minute, the best I can. Get some of this other stuff out of the way, and I kind of tilt it over and show you. So we kind of put that in there, and you put that in there like that. So still leaves a lot of room. So yeah. So we'll put let's see, stack that in there. I'm not really sure how to do this because I mean some of this stuff is rather large. Not rather large. It is like this this fry spatula. But we can kind of. He has an idea.
And then when we pick it up at home.
Let's see. Let's see if that works. Well, look at there. Crazy Michael figured it out. How's that look?
It
looks super cool, don't it? No? Like it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we can do that.
And then we can put all this.
So, we have another Blackstone press. Put that down in there. We have our tray liners, our grease cup liners. We can put down in here. We have our handy dandy Blackstone Smash Burger Smasher.
Smash Burger Smasher.
With this actually works very well. We have a link down below to the video for that. So, in case we want to make smash burgers, we'll put that in there. This came with our original 2 spatulas that we had bought originally with the set. As you can tell, these are the older model spatulas, but they still work great. So we'll throw these down in there, along with our scraper. But I did buy, there it is, the upgraded scraper, which I'm gonna tell you what, this, if you don't have one of these, you need to get one. So make sure you get one of those. This came with the burger kit and the press. Now this is perfect for burgers and just large items like big steaks or whatever. It's got beveled edges. It's perfect. I love it. It's going in the bag. Let's put some seasonings in the bag. There we go. We're all seasoned up. And if you have any extra seasonings, how you know, there's just stick them in the bag. Now we also have some egg rings. Quite a few egg rings, as you see. Put them in there. Okay. So we have one thing left.
And that can go up front.
And that's our cool tongs, our Blackstone tongs. Man, I love these things. These things are great. And they're actually scrapers. If you look at the very end of them, they're tongs, but they're also scrapers because the ends of them are flat and you can kind of scrape stuff and get them up. But then what's really cool about it is, you know, it open and close, but if you want to keep it closed, pull it up, and look at that. Ta-da! Where those go, Michael?
Like that. And then
Let's see if we can do it.
there we go.
There we go. Now, this has dual purpose. You can work out with it. No, it's very heavy. It is. It really is heavy. But, so you don't have to look like this going to your griddle. Now you can look like this. All right, Michael, we got it packed up. You think you're gonna enjoy that? Now we can just carry everything out here so much easier. It really is. I mean, y'all look at this. We have a lot of stuff in this bag. We really do. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is this handle is detachable. You can take this handle off, you know, to help you pack it easier, like so. It just hooks on. Same on either side. Like I said, it does have webbing. You can hook different things into your bottle holder. Here can go on the back and go on the side and go wherever you want it to go. And I don't know what accessories you have for your griddle, but this will hold just about anything you can throw in it. It really can. It's a great deal.
Except for the actual griddle.
Yeah, you can't put the griddle in it. That's the good point there, Michael. Yeah. So, let me know in the comments below what you think. This thing was right at $50, I believe it was, at Walmart. There's a link down below if you're looking to get in this. Also on this thing is this hard plastic sides, so it's not collapsible. So wherever you do store it, it will stay in its shape. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And well, I tell you what, if you liked the video, give this thing a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, make sure you hit that thumbs down twice, because this is awful. Just make sure you hit it twice. You catch it? Okay. If you like the bag, let us know down in the comments below. If you don't like it, let us know what you don't like about it. You know, this is the very first time we've even ever put anything in it. I'm kind of impressed with it that I can carry everything at one time. Well, we do have a lot of stuff, and do you ever get enough Blackstone stuff? I don't. Yeah, that's one of my addictions. When we go to Walmart, I straight to the Blackstone stuff and check out, see if there's anything new, what have you. But there's a link down below in the comments, or in the description, I mean, for this bag and other things. So be sure to check that out. I think that's about it as far as the bag goes. I mean, it's, you know, it's a bag. So be sure to check it out. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. If it's red, make it gray. Anything else? Thumbs up. Yeah, yeah, notification bell. Thank you, Michael. Crazy Michael, sometimes he does make sense. And I guess we'll see you next time.
Bye.